Thank you guys for taking the time to click on this video. Please drop a like, it really helps out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Welcome back to a brand new video, guys. I'm Blaze2K. Nice to meet you. If you know me, or if you've known me for a while on this YouTube channel, I've talked a lot about losing weight, getting healthier, and part of that is getting all the nutrition and stuff that you need. You know, your vitamins, your minerals, and all this sort of whole food based ingredients. They help improve your diet. Now, I've got a few conditions myself that I live with, autoimmune conditions, skin conditions. So I really want to change my diet up and get all this stuff that my body needs, right? And I actually came across this product on the Steve-O's podcast. If you don't know who Steve-O is, he's a guy from Jackass. And I was watching his podcast one day and he brought this up and I thought, that sounds really good. So basically, it's called AG Athletic Greens. They've rebranded. It's called AG1 now. And basically, it's like a powdered supplement that you take every day. It's not in pill form. It's not in any sort of capsule. It's basically a powder, almost like baby food, right? Baby formula. And you take a scoop, you pour it in a glass of 8 ounces of water every day, drink it, boom, your body absorbs it. They say drinking, taking your nutrients and supplements via powder form, via liquid, it helps your body absorb it more than, say, a capsule or a multivitamin. So I ended up trying out Athletic Greens. Here it is. Here's the box. We're going to unbox it. But first, let's take a look at the website and see what it's all about. And also, if you use my link down in the description, I think you'll actually get $15 off your order. Plus, you'll get a couple of freebies, which is awesome. So if you want to get some more nutrients in your life, in your body, and make you feel better, support your immune system, your digestion, your mind, your mental clarity, all that sort of good stuff, then this is something you might be interested in. I'm interested in. This isn't a paid review or nothing. I've actually spent my own money to get this. So, if it's good enough for me, hopefully it's good enough for you. And I'm going to do an update video in like a month and let you know if I feel any better, have any improved mood or have more energy or anything like that. But anyways, let's take a look at the website real fast. So this is it. Welcome to the essential nutrition movement. Awesome. Comprehensive and convenient daily nutrition made simple. AG1 is made from the highest quality ingredients in accordance with the strictest standards, and obsessively improved based on the latest science. So highest standards. It says it's only only a handful of products to be both NSF certified and made in TGA registered facility. This means that each ingredient and every batch is tested and verified to meet the gold standard for clean ingredient nutrition, and that every individual pack is 100% traceable. Using the latest science, we select the most effective and bioavailable form of every single ingredient in AG1 to deliver the highest possible quality and value. So this is what it's going to look like when it's poured into the cup. So it's got comprehensive nutrition. You're going to need a smaller cabinet. So if you like to stock up on fruits and vegetables and all that sort of stuff, and vitamins, 50 pills of vitamins and different supplements, then this might be something you might want to look into because it's a lot easier and it's a lot more convenient. So comprehensive nutrition, it has 75 minerals, whole food source nutrients in one convenient, vitamins and minerals and whole food source nutrients in one convenient daily serving. Better than pills or capsules, because you mix AG1 with water, it's more efficiently absorbed by the body, and I believe there's been studies to prove that now. It's starting to become more commonplace, to drink your supplements with water because it's absorbed a little bit better than, say, pills or capsules. It's incredibly convenient. 1 scoop or travel packet, 8 ounces of water every day. That's it. So that's what I like about this, the convenience of it. Being able to just get a cup of water in the morning, take 1 scoop, pour it in the water, give it a little mix, drink it, boom, you're done. No having to swallow pills. I've got a lot of supplements I take downstairs. Omega-3 fish oil capsules, vitamin C, D, B12, all that sort of stuff. And to be able to get it all in one little drink, it's gonna be a lot more convenient, because I'm not gonna lie, I don't like swallowing pills. So yep, for everyone, optimized for athletes, life-leets, and everyone in between, vegan, paleo, and keto friendly. So yeah, let's take a look at the vitamins really fast. It's gluten-free, no eggs, no sugar added, nut-free, dairy-free, and I'm sure there's like a list of all the ingredients in here that it includes, and it was pretty comprehensive. Let me go see if I can find it really fast. Here we go, ingredients and benefits. So here's all the vitamins and minerals it's got, okay? See, where is it? Here it is. Vitamins. I'm not going to go through all these, but here we go. Alpha lipoic acid helps our cells convert glucose into energy, supports cardiovascular health by enhancing the activity. These are all the lists. So this is just the vitamins list, okay? Let me just zoom in a little bit and show you these. Biotin, bromelain, and it tells you like all the benefits of these sort of things, you know, and how they help your body. Everything. And then you've got your minerals. It tells you what all the minerals do and how they support your body. Whole food source nutrients. It's even got pineapple in it. Look at all the stuff in it. Probiotics for your indigestion, your digestive health. Because if you have strong health, good health in your gut, and your digestive system, that can actually really improve the rest of your body. There's something called leaky gut, and it can really mess you up. And I think I've got it because I've got a lot of issues, and I think it's down to my gut health. So probiotics are always good, and adaptogens. A lot of like plant-based organic things here. So yes, 75 vitamins, minerals, whole food sourced nutrients, probiotics, and adaptogens. A lot of really healthy stuff here. And I'm looking forward to getting, trying this and seeing how good it is and how much it helps me. So this is the one I went for. If I go to the shop here, I went for the subscription, which supposedly comes with obviously a free starter kit, the premium jar, as well as the shaker, and obviously 30 servings of Athletic Green 1 in a pouch. So you could actually pour the pouch into the little jar thing, and then obviously scoop one scoop into your little mixer thing with some water, give it a mix and drink it, and then boom. It's supposed to taste all right, but yeah, we're going to get into the unboxing and let's see what's inside the box. We could see there. So basically, you could buy one bag of it. It'll be $99. And this is 30 servings, so basically you've got like a month's worth supply, $99. It's expensive. It is a little bit expensive, but if you can't put a price on your health, right? And I really need to get a lot healthier because I've been feeling like crap lately. So single subscription is what I went for. You could always cancel at any time. So yeah, you get your 30 servings, you get one pouch, you get the mixer, which you could obviously use to drink it, pour your water in, take your scoop one scoop in, give it a mix and drink it out the mixer. So that's handy. I wanted that. And obviously the container. So yeah, let's take a look. Let's get into the unboxing and let's see what's in the box. So, here's the box. I've already torn the box just to make the video a little bit nicer here. Let me remove that athletic green image. So here we go. It says, "Welcome to the Essential Nutrition Movement." Very nice. And let's open this. Ooh, here we go. Look at that. There's the container, the mixer, and the pouch of Athletic Green. There's the pouch. Very nice. Here's the back of it. It says daily support for energy and your immune system, gut health and digestion, liver function, hormone function, brain and neural function, body's normal detox process, blood sugar levels already within normal range. Diet friendly, it's vegetarian, vegan, paleo, keto, low carb. Absolutely no GMOs, gluten, dairy, corn, egg peanuts, lactose, sucrose, dextrose, animal byproducts, herbicides or pesticides, and artificial colors, flavors, preservatives, or sweeteners. So once you open this bag, you will need to put this in the fridge to keep it from going off. Because like I said, it's like all organic, green, whole food based stuff. There's no preservatives or nothing inside this. So once you open this and put it in your container, you want to put the container in the fridge just to keep it nice and fresh. So there's that. And then obviously we've got the mixer and the container and stuff in here. Very nice. Liquid. Oh, so I got this free, I think, because I followed Steve-O's link. And if you follow my link in the video description, you'll get a couple of freebies as well, I think. So yes. So this is the D3K2. I think these are like vitamin D supplements. I got this for following the referral link. So yeah, take 1 drop daily or titrate as desired, as recommended by your healthcare professional. So yeah, let's open this and see what this is about. It looks like it's just a vitamin D supplement. Very nice. I got this for free. Look at that. Awesome. Liquid dietary supplement. Nice. And I also got these little travel packs, which you will also get if you follow my link in the video description. There we go. AG1 travel pack. If I decide to go on a hike next week up to the Himalayas, it should be good because I've got my travel packs. We've got a very nice little AG1 metal container. Very nice. This is where I'll put my month's worth of month's supply of powder. Hopefully they gave me the scoop. That'd be kind of sucky if I didn't get. Oh, they gave me the scoop. It's fine. Here's my shaker here. So I'll put my 8 ounces of water. It's even look. It's even measured. It's even got the measurement, the water measurements here. Very nice. So I'll obviously put 8 ounces in. I could put more in. It doesn't matter. As long as you put 1 scoop in, obviously. Very nice. And then we've got. So it comes with this metal spoon. I did find it. It's really high quality. It's a metal spoon, I think, or really dense plastic. I think it's metal. So yeah, I'm really happy with this stuff. Like I says, I'm glad I went for the subscription because I get the shaker, I get the container, the spoon, along with the Athletic Green stuff as well. And obviously, I'm glad I followed that affiliate link, which you can too by clicking the link in the description. And you'll also get $15 worth off your order, and you'll get a free travel pack, a 5-pack travel pouches of the AG1 formula supplement, and you'll also get a free D3 K2 liquid supplement as well. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. Like I said, I never got paid to promote it. I just genuinely want to improve my health because I've been feeling crap this past month. And I'm pretty happy with what I've got. It's a bit pricey, but I'm going to update you in a month's time and let you know if it worked, if I've got more energy, if I've got better digestion, if I've got more mental clarity and everything like that. Yeah, it's gonna really hopefully help with everything. It's got 75 supplements, vitamins, whole food sourced ingredients. A lot of things that I've done research before on. A lot of the stuff in this I've did research before on, and I've actually bought in like pill form or capsule form as a daily supplement, but I keep forgetting to take all my supplements. But with this, it's just take a scoop, pour it in the water, mix it up and drink it. Boom. 1 step or a couple of steps, a lot less steps than having to pop pills at different times of the day. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this. I'm excited to see how it tastes as well. So yeah, there it is. There's the directions for how to actually take it. So you're going to want to add 8 to 12 ounces of water in your container and your mixer, and then you're going to want to add 1 scoop of the AG1 powder into your water, shake it for 20 seconds, and boom, you're done. So if you like this video and you want to be notified of the update video in a month, hit subscribe, hit the bell icon so you're notified, and I will let you know in a month's time to see if this really helped. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Like I says, link in the description if you want to try it yourself and get $15 off your order, get the freebies mentioned here. Let's go for this. Hopefully I'll have a 6-pack in a month. I'll be like Arnold Schwarzenegger during his best days. I'll be a bodybuilder. I'll be lifting this desk with 1 arm. You never know. But yeah, I'm super excited to try this. It was actually made in New Zealand, the same place as Lord of the Rings. So have a good day. Thank you for watching this video. Drop a like, hit subscribe, hit the bell icon if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Wish me luck on my athletic, healthy journey. Peace. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks guys.